Attention Computer Science HSST aspirants. CGP Career Avenues is starting a 1-to-1 batch. Students can join for online or offline program. Offline classes will be at Trivandrum. Online classes will be at the mutual convenience. For the first time ever, such 1-to-1 classes are launched, where the students will be trained exclusively by the faculty. No other students will be in that batch. It will be scheduled at mutual convenience. Apart from that, you will get complete books, test series, app and printed books. Join CGP Career Avenue.